Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. My name is Peter Olwatch. I'm a stock market researcher and investor. I talk to people about the stock market. I teach them to save, invest, and grow well. Today's topic is this: what is the stock market? And what can you compare it to? Stock market is a market like any other market. You can go to Kikomba, buy oranges at 5 shillings. Later, you sell at 8 shillings. You can go to Kikomba and buy watermelons. Buy watermelons at 100 shillings. Later, you sell at 140 shillings or 150 shillings. The stock market is also like that. It's a market like any other market. So you can buy Safaricom at 40 shillings and you sell at 45. Or you buy Safaricom at 30 shillings and you sell at 40. Or you buy Nairobi Business Ventures at 5 shillings and you sell at 8 shillings. Or you buy Barclays, Absa now, buy it at 8 shillings and you sell it at 11 shillings. So stock market is like any other market, but it's a market where companies are sold. You buy companies and you sell. You buy companies and you sell. And you sell shares. Shares is basically a portion. You see, if you take this book is how many pages? This book is about 230 pages. So if you take out a piece out of this book, like this piece, so this piece becomes a share. The whole book is a company. So if you take out, if you tear out a page, now this piece is called a share. Now for Barclays Bank, one share is about 10 shillings now. 10, 11 shillings, depends. When this video will be uploaded. So one piece of a company is called a share. The same way, like you can assume it's pizza. So if you cut pizza into small pieces, one piece of pizza is called a share. Now that piece of pizza, the price fluctuates. For Barclays Bank, sometimes the price is 8 shillings, sometimes the price is 9 shillings, sometimes the price is 13 shillings. So you can buy that piece of pizza at say 8 shillings. Then you stay with it, you hold. Then after some times, the price goes up to say 13 shillings. Then you sell that price of pizza, that piece of pizza at 13 shillings. So you buy at 8 shillings, sell at 13 shillings, and make your 5 shillings, for example. That is how the stock market operates. It doesn't matter whether it's locally here in Kenya. It doesn't matter whether it's abroad, America, where you are buying Apple, you are buying Facebook, you are buying Microsoft, you are buying all these companies. Stock market behaves the same. And I want to tell you that stock market is a marathon journey. It's not something that you start now and you are successful tomorrow. I'm reading a book by Grant Cardone. Grant Cardone wrote a book, The 10 Times Rule. This is what he says. Attack everything, even the stock market. Attack the stock market. Attack everything with the ferociousness of a champion. Athlete who is getting his last opportunity to claim his pages in the history books. And always remember to follow through completely. That is the great common denominator of all winners. Attack the stock market with the ferocity of a champion. The stock market is not easy, and any other venture is not easy. So for you to be successful, you need to attack it with the ferocity of a champion. We are in a stock market marathon. Success is not achieved today or tomorrow. Success will take time. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much. If you're new here, please subscribe. If you're not in our Telegram group, I have a message for you. Join our Telegram group. That's where we practice the stock market 24/7 with the ferocity of a champion. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Have a nice time.